Hello and welcome to Shane Barr Shoe Repairs. My name's Shane Barr and we'll just do a quick walk around of what's involved in working in the shoe repair shop. Here's our front counter, and that's where customers stand on this side obviously and we stand on the other side. And we have a bit of shoe care. We also cut a few keys. We'll just sneak around to the key machine here. Key machine, and then a couple of counters set up here where we can put in cash sale, new customer, existing customer, and print out job tickets. This side of the workshop over this side is where all the soles are done, so heels and soles and all of that. Quite noisy, quite smelly, quite hard work. Rubber sheeting for new soles. This is the polishing area with all the polishers set up. Up here we put the shoes as they come in into the boxes. This is the noisy machine. It does grind off the old. Makes that sort of noises. That's a brick jump spinning around. And sort of hold the shoe next to that. These are trimmers to trim things off with. Oven to heat up the soles so they're soft and easy to cut and the glue's reactivated. Glues on the glue bench. And a press machine to squash soles on. And so looking from the back of the shop, that's everything that we've got on the left hand side, that's for the soles. And on the other side we've got sewing machine up the end there, glue, and this is where we'll put Velcro and elastics and new buckles and things like that, and the work just waits for you just there. Up top we store all the boots up the top there in alphabetical order, and the shoes are stored under the counter there in alphabetical order. So that's a real quick look at what we do, and if you've got any other questions, maybe go to shanes.co.nz or even go to coblix.com and just check out a bit of what we do. Thanks for watching.